Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video we're answering another SSAT math question. The question says, where does the line y equals x minus 5 cross the y-axis? A, 0, 5, B, 0, minus 5, C, minus 5, 0, D, minus 5, 5, or E, 0, 0. So we've been given the line y is equal to x minus 5. And we're looking for where it crosses the y-axis. The y-axis is this vertical line here. Now, a line will cross this line when x is equal to 0. So to find our value for y, what we need to do is substitute the value x is equal to 0 into our equation. Y is equal to x, which is 0, minus 5. So we get y is equal to minus 5. So now we know our x coordinate and our y coordinate. All we need to do is put them together to get a coordinate. So x comes first, as it does in the alphabet. And as I said, x is equal to 0. And y we just worked out to be minus 5. So a coordinate is 0, minus 5. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.